Welcome to today's rhythm lesson. For today's rhythm lesson, we are going to learn about 16th notes. Like other notes, 16th notes have note heads, stems, and when there is more than one 16th note, the notes are grouped together with two bars. 16th notes can appear in a variety of ways in music, but for this lesson, we will work on 16th notes that are in four-note groups. Any time signature with a 4 on the bottom, like 4-4, 2-4, or 3-4, a group of 4 16th notes takes up one beat in the measure. In time signatures like 6-8, a group of 4 barred 16th notes will take up 2 beats in the measure. Now that we know how 16th notes work, we are going to practice counting them. However, in order to count 16th notes accurately, we need to be able to count quarter notes and eighth notes. So let's take a second to review. Let's begin with the quarter note. When we are counting quarter notes, we say 1. So in a measure of 4-4, it would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is eighth notes. When we're counting eighth notes, we say 1 and. So in a measure of 4-4, this would sound like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next we count 16th notes. How do you think we will count 16th notes? We count 16th notes by saying 1 E and a. So in a measure of 4-4, this sounds like 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Let's practice. So for our practice, you will have 5 rhythms that pop up on the screen. Your first step is to figure out the counting. Then the counting will appear and you will check your counting. Then you will listen to the rhythms being counted and clapped, and then we will count and clap the rhythms together. These rhythms incorporate quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes. Here's your first rhythm. One, 2, and 3 E and a 4. Here is your second rhythm. 1 and 2, 3 E and a 4 and. Here's your third rhythm. 1, 2, 3 E and a 4. Here's your fourth rhythm. This is a 2-bar rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, 4 E and a 1 and 2, 3 E and a 4. And your fifth and final rhythm. 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4 E and a 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4.